Hi everyone, I'm Russell Muldoon from Montgomery Investment Management, and welcome to this week's video insight. Well, for today we're going to talk briefly about Altium Limited. The share code is ALU. It's a business that's likely to be unfamiliar to most investors, given it's by no means a big business and nor would it be considered by many to be a blue chip. But that's probably why we here at Montgomery Investment Management like it. Now, in our opinion, Altium is a business that has excellent prospects for the future, given its exposure to the machine-to-machine revolution. Also known as the Internet of Things to others, it's a structural growth story which has not only arrived, but also appears to be gathering pace. Now, if you look around you in the real world, everything from elevator lifts to your smartphone and even the family car is now filled with electronic processing power. And it's in these growth markets that sees Altium well placed. Well, we think it's well placed. That's because it owns and builds software that is used by some of the largest businesses in the world to design and test such circuit boards in a virtual environment. Now, growth for Altium has come from a few sources, which includes not only the fast-growing market that we just spoke about and the structural tailwinds, but also because they have been improving their software's capabilities. Now, according to our research, these upgrades have been very well received by the market and has even resulted in them being successful in taking market share from the dominant player in the space, Mentor Graphics, given a significantly lower price point for their product's features. Now, once a customer has made the decision to integrate Altium software in their design process, it's very, very tough for them to just up and leave, which appears to provide Altium with some pricing power. Now, staff would need to be retrained, processes need to be redesigned, and the library of existing product designs and components need to be transferred and changed if they were to switch from an Altium product to a competitor. And that's not a simple task to do. This means that there's high switching costs for Altium's customer base and thus very high attachment rates and sticky revenues. All of these switching costs make for a customer base with very high attachment rates and thus very sticky revenues. So to a fast and growing market and ever higher volumes of sales, we can potentially add higher prices, which together make for a highly attractive investment opportunity in our opinion. Now, in terms of an upcoming catalyst, at their full-year result, Altium showed a balance sheet which was flush with $60 million in US dollars in cash. And we expect that a material acquisition, further lifting the existing product capabilities, its market reach and earnings may just be around the corner. To us, it all adds up to the fact that Altium appears to be very well positioned in a fast-growing industry with a long runway ahead of them. And in that regard, it's got very good prospects to grow. Further, the business reports in US dollars and a lower Aussie dollar sees these cash flows worth more when converted. It's yet just another positive and more reason why Altium is a current holding in our portfolios here at Montgomery. Well, that's all for me this week. Please check the blog, Facebook and Twitter daily for more insights from the team, and I look forward to seeing you next time.